Guangrao County is bright and jewel, enlightened the vast and fertile line of Yellow River Delta of China. 2,000 years ago, strategist Sun Tzu wrote a famous book here and has influenced so long time. Nowadays, Guangrao Tyre has already been used all over the world. Guangrao International Rubber Tyre and Auto Accessory rises to fame timely. The first approved tyre event by UFI in China. During 15th to 17th May of every year, GRTAE opens magnificently. It covers a variety of tyres, raw materials, machinery, equipment, tyre technology, wheel, rubber raw materials, auto parts, maintenance equipment, and others. GRTAE creates a wonderful and splendid industrial event. After years of rapid and healthy development, its area has reached 43,000 square meters. There are more than 650 exhibitors and 60,000 visitors from home and abroad. There are famous enterprises, many international enterprises, and many special designed booths, which turns into the world's fastest growing auto show as well an industrial leader. Continues China Tyre and Rubber New Material Industrial Conference and its report, Guangrao Consensus, a notable winner in tyre industry. In China, there are 1 out of every 4 radio tyres from Guangrao and 1 out of every 6 tyres for export from Guangrao. Guangrao radio tyre production capacity, which is 0.15 billion, and wheel production capacity, which is 25 million sides. Awarded with the sole tyre export quality and safety demonstration area of China. Make an appointment in tyre capital to defeat in Guangrao GRTAE. Welcome to China Guangrao International Rubber Tyre and Auto Accessory Exhibition.